To remove a bank account from your Dasher app, start by opening the app and navigating to the Earnings section. Once in the Earnings section, locate and tap on your current bank account information displayed on the screen. You will see an option to remove account. Select this option to begin the removal process. DoorDash may require you to confirm your identity through verification steps for security purposes. Complete any required verification prompts. After removing your old account, consider adding a new bank account immediately to ensure uninterrupted payouts. This helps maintain continuous access to your earnings. New bank accounts typically require micro-deposit verification, which takes 1 to 2 business days to complete. Plan accordingly to avoid any delays in receiving your earnings. DoorDash has implemented comprehensive security measures to protect your banking information and prevent unauthorized access to your account. Multi-factor authentication is now required for all banking changes. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring verification through SMS, email, or Authenticator app before any modifications can be made. DoorDash uses advanced artificial intelligence and real-time monitoring systems to detect suspicious activity. Any unusual patterns or potentially fraudulent changes are immediately flagged and investigated. You'll receive immediate email and SMS notifications for any banking changes. This ensures you're always aware of modifications to your account and can quickly identify any unauthorized activity. Follow these essential security practices. Never share your login credentials with anyone. Always use secure networks when making changes, and enable all available security features in your account settings. Regularly monitor your payout history and bank accounts. If you notice any unauthorized changes, immediately contact DoorDash support, change your passwords, and monitor your bank accounts for any suspicious transactions. Remember, account security is a shared responsibility between DoorDash and you. While DoorDash provides robust security measures, following best practices on your end ensures maximum protection for your earnings and personal information.